Next, we move to topic 3, accounting for material costs. Materials are often the biggest expense for a business. In this lesson, we will learn how to track these costs from the moment we buy them until they are used in the production. We will explore how to manage stock properly. This includes following the right procurement procedure and maintaining material costs through and maintaining a material control to avoid waste. We will also look at how to balance our inventory investment so we don't have too much or too little stock on hand. Finally, we will introduce the just-in-time or JIT system. This is a modern technique used by many successful companies to reduce storage costs and improve efficiency. Understanding material costs is vital for keeping a business profitable. Let's dive into the details.